Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do another self-portrait tutorial. So I'm going to set up my camera on a tripod. I use a Canon 5D Mark IV and it does connect to Wi-Fi and my phone. So that's how I'm going to be able to focus on myself and basically click from my phone. And the lens that I'm going to use is the 85 1.4 just because I want to like blur out the background and just get some pretty cool super close-up portraits. So if you guys enjoy the tutorial, make sure to subscribe for my channel for more. So this is kind of where I'm going to do the setup. I just want to kind of get the trees as like a background, and then I'm going to, like I said, connect to my phone. So I'm also going to use this tree here because I want to kind of get like that backlight behind me as well, which kind of gives it a cool effect. So we'll take some portraits here as well.